there. Components are Unix. We require to discuss components of Unix. Next, so just some basic commands, basic commands I will show with the online terminal. Okay, some basic commands I will show with some online terminal. Okay, that's all. This is my agenda. Mostly I will try to complete in this session. If it is not going to be, yes, tomorrow we will discuss about this agenda, right? That's all. This is about our requirement. Any doubt up to this? Yes, friends, is it clear for all of you, right? What is the agenda? What thing we are going to discuss as a part of this session? Yes, can I start the cinema? Please confirm. Can I start? Yes, can I start the cinema? Okay, well, sir, take a bit very special care about this one. Sir, anyone can you please tell what is Unix? What is Unix, sir? Please confirm. Ayo, respond. You have to tell. It is not my job. You require to tell what is Unix. The basic idea you should have compulsory. Please confirm. Respond. What is Unix? If you consider that, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of Unix, sir? Sir, very simple. It is an operating system. Remember a bit carefully, sir. What is Unix, sir? It is an operating system. It is an operating system. Just take a bit special care. Then immediately you may ask, sir, what is an operating system? Okay, what is an operating system, sir? Sir, it's very simple. It's very simple, friends. You people should be aware. Operating system itself is nothing will be there. Suppose assume that, sir, I assume that I have one system is there. Assume that, sir, here my requirement is, just observe carefully, right? I have one system is I want to buy one computer. I want to set up my computer, right? Okay, assume that I want to set up my computer. I want a new computer. Assume that. If you want a new computer, what you did is, yes, so assembled or okay, either assembled or otherwise, sir, one system is ready. Assume that one system is ready, sir. Once you set up your system, is it immediately ready to use or not? Okay, is it ready to use or not? Okay, take very special care about this one, sir. Once a computer is ready in my system, assume that, okay, one computer is ready, so end user, we can't use that system. Please take a bit very special care about this one. Being end user, suppose I am the user, sir, I want to use this one. Okay, to use this compulsory, we require to install some software on this computer, then only we can use this system. Remember a bit carefully, sir. So once you have one computer is there, just a hardware device is there, sir, but I want to use that. Okay, I assume that I want to create one file. Assume I want to create a directory. Okay, like I want to do some activity, right? If you want to do anything on this system, compulsory some special software we have to install, then only you can use that computer. Okay, like so the first thing what you people should aware, okay, what you people should aware, which software we have to install is that software itself is by default considered as operating system. Remember a bit very carefully, sir, that software itself is considered a operating system. So once our computer is ready to use that computer, compulsory some software must be required. That software itself is nothing but operating system. Once operating system is installed, then you are allowed to use okay, this computer happily, end user can use this computer, right? Everyone in the position to understand clearly, right? Yes, friends, are you in the position to understand what is the meaning of sir, operating system. What is the need of operating system? By using operating system, with the help of operating system, user can communicate with the hardware, can communicate with our computer, so that he can perform required operations, right? Okay, to use computer compulsory OS must be installed. OS operating system must be installed, then only user can use that computer, right? Okay, that special software which is mandatorily required to use our system itself is nothing but, okay, operating system. Clear, right? Everyone in the position to understand? Okay, what is the meaning of operating system? Okay, well, now my question is, observe that, sir. So what is Unix? Unix is an operating system just like our Windows. Remember this one, sir. Just like our Windows, Unix is an operating system which is created, which was developed. Remember this one, sir, which is created in. Anyone, can you please tell when the Unix came? Yes, friends. When the Unix came, anyone, can you please tell? Yes, friends. When this Unix came in the picture, can you please confirm? Do you know? Here, just take a bit very special care about this one. When this Unix came in the picture is in 1960s. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. 1960s. This Unix came in the picture when, sir, it is in 1960s. Take a bit very special care about this terminology. So do you know, I'm sure one wonderful point I want to tell, sir. Your father, if he is in software, okay, learned, okay, your father was learned, okay, your father learned, okay, learned, okay, Unix, sir. I'm sure the people, of course, our father age, 1960s people are nothing but, do you know? So almost our father or otherwise grandfather, okay, some people grandfather also, okay, learned Unix, sir. Now you people are learning. Now we are learning. We are learning this Unix. Okay, I'm sure, sir. Tomorrow, sir, our kids also will learn Unix. Remember this one. Our kids also can learn Unix. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. So every person Unix must be required. Okay, this is that much most important thing itself is nothing but like. So I'm sure, sir, the people who are working in the companies, remember this one, the people who are working in the companies, compulsory you people should require to learn Unix or Linux. Remember this one, Unix or Linux. Okay, like, sir, now the point is, sir, this Unix operating system created in 1960s, almost around, sir, 60 years before operating system, today we are using, sir. Remember a bit carefully. Here just 60 years before operating system we are using, sir. How it is possible? Because during last 60 years, maybe a chance of several advances came, several new things came in the technology. Okay, like new things came in the technology, but still how the people are using, sir. So take very special care. We are not using the operating system which was created in 1960s. Okay, like with several enhancements. Remember that, with several enhancements and improvements to the base version, and several enhancements and improvements to the base version, several flavors, sir, introduced. Several flavors introduced by organizations or companies. Remember this one, sir, by organizations or companies. Okay, so whatever base version we have which was created in 1960s, whatever base version we have which was created in 1960s, for that several enhancements and improvements came. So such a type of enhanced flavor we are using these days. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. Have you remembered, sir, like sir, do you know Red Hat Linux? Have you remembered? Red Hat Linux. Next and after that Ubuntu, Red Hat Linux, Ubuntu. Next CentOS. Okay, CentOS like so like multiple flavors are there. Now the people are using these flavors with several enhancements to the base version. Clear a bit very carefully about this one. Yes, friends. Yeah. Tim, so I observing, so here just take a bit very special care about this one, sir. Okay, like so buffering may be network related issue, so just continue, otherwise just after the session we will upload so that you can. Okay, now here take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? So what is the Linux, or what is the Unix? So are you in the position to understand the basic idea? Yes, friends, everyone in the position to understand basic idea? Yes, so it is simple an operating system which was created almost 60 years before, but we are not using the original base version. We did several enhancements and improvements to the base version now, so that enhanced flavors we are using these days. Remember that, but these words are very important, sir. So your father or grandfather learned already Unix, now we are learning Unix or Linux. Our kids also definitely tomorrow they have to learn. Okay, such type of beautiful operating system is Unix or Linux, sir. Remember a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, well, sir, up to this any doubt? So what is Unix? Now the basic idea clear for all of you, right? In a single word, you people should aware. In a single word, you people should aware, it is an operating system which was created in 1960s with several enhancements and improvements to the base version. Now enhanced versions we are using. Okay, like now the second thing what I have to talk. Okay, sir, characteristics of Unix. Okay, remember a bit carefully, right? Characteristics of Unix like. Sir, now take very special care about this one. So if I can use if I can use Unix or Linux, sir, what are various important characteristics are there? Okay, like when compared with Linux, why when compared with Windows operating system or other operating systems, why this is more popular? Anyone, can you please tell some reasons? Yes, anyone, can you please tell some reasons for that? Any explanation? Why? What are various important characteristics? Right? Yes. Here, one very important thing what you people should aware. One very important thing what you people should aware, sir. Okay. So the point here is, sir, why it is very popular. First important point, it is, sir, freeware. Remember this one. What is the word? Can you please spell out, sir? It is freeware. Remember, we are to use this operating system, Unix or Linux, we are not required to pay single paisa also. Remember that. So the first important thing, it is the freeware. We are not required to pay single paisa to use. But if you want to use Windows operating system, Mac operating system, compulsory we require to pay something, so that operating system won't come at free of cost. Remember, right? Okay, but this Unix or Linux, it is the freeware. We are not required to pay single paisa also. Okay, like now the second point, sir, a bit important, a bit very important, sir. It is the freeware. Now the second important thing is it is open source. Remember this one. It is open source. What is the meaning of open source? Is the source code. The source code, how the commands are implemented, how the commands are implemented, we can see, sir. We can see. Okay, like, so if you feel, okay, this default implementation not going to fulfill my requirement, then we can customize source code based on our requirement. Remember this one, sir. We can customize our source code based on our requirement. Okay, itself is possible. So that's why. So suppose IBM company people, okay, customized, okay, this Unix or Linux flavor. Now they are telling their own version of Unix. Like suppose here DurgaSoft. Assume that DurgaSoft customizes to, sir, here DurgaSoft customizes source code. Now I'm telling that source code. Okay, now I'm telling that it is the DurgaSoft Unix flavor. Okay, this is DurgaSoft flavor. Okay, like I can publish. So just I can share this one as my own flavor. Okay, remember this one. So it is the open source means we can customize the source code based on our requirement. Remember a bit very carefully for these people, right? So any doubt about this one? So why the Unix or Linux is very popular is the first important thing. Remember, it is the freeware, it is the open source. Remember, but if you go for Windows, it is not freeware, it is not open source. You can't customize everything. You have to send a request to the Microsoft people. Microsoft people are going to customize based on our requirement. Okay, like so. But here it is there in my hand based on my requirement. I can do any kind of thing. Okay, like itself is possible. Remember, right? So now these two features together is considered as it is here. Just take a bit special care. It is FOSS. Okay, like sir, can you please spell out what is the FOSS? The more technical word. The more technical word, sir, FOSS, it is FOSS. What is the meaning of FOSS itself is, sir, free, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of FOSS? Freeware, okay, freeware and open source software. Freeware and open source software. Okay, like so take a bit special care about these two important points, right? Okay, now the third point, sir. Okay, sir, here Windows, if you consider Windows desktop, how many users can use at a time? Can you please confirm? Windows desktop, how many users can use at a time? At a time, sir, Windows can be used by only one user. Remember this one. Windows can be used by only one user. But sir, this Unix or Linux can be used by, it can be used by multiple users simultaneously. Remember a bit very carefully about this one, sir. So Unix can be used by multiple users simultaneously. Hence we can use the word it is a multi-user operating system. Are you in the position to understand, right? It is sir, why it is very special. Okay, one reason is it is multi-user operating system. Remember a bit carefully, sir. Next, here take a bit very special care about this one. Okay, now the next thing is okay, very important, sir. How many in our Linux, in our Unix, how many tasks we can perform simultaneously? Okay, remember how many tasks we can perform simultaneously? Yes, any number of tasks we can perform simultaneously. So multiple tasks can be executed simultaneously. Okay, in Unix, just observe that multiple tasks in Unix, multiple tasks can be executed simultaneously. Okay, can be executed simultaneously. Hence it is a multitasking operating system. Okay, multitasking operating system. Remember this one. So what are various characteristics of Unix operating system? So you have to tell it is the freeware, it is the open source, it is a multi-user operating system, it is a multitasking operating system. Like next, fifth one, sir, very important. Take a bit special care. Now my question is, observe carefully, right? Sir, do you know Unix and Linux? If you consider Unix and Linux, if you consider that, I mean Windows. Windows is GUI based, correct or not? Can you please confirm? Windows is GUI based, correct, right? GUI based. Windows is the GUI based, right? GUI based. Windows is GUI based. What about Linux? Yes. Okay. What about Unix or Linux, sir? Linux is. Please confirm. Yeah. Respond. You have to tell. Is it CUI based or is it GUI based? Yes. Is it GUI based or CUI based? Yeah, GUI means graphical user interface. Okay, everything by using mouse click you can perform our required operations, right? I want to create a folder. Then automatically XYZ folder is ready. Just with mouse click we are not required to execute any command. Okay, like in the Windows, right? So what about Unix? Can you please tell, is it CUI or GUI? This is what you people should aware. Take a bit very special care about this terminology. Sir, most of the people are going to fail. Unix is CUI based. Okay, most of the people are going to fail. Is Unix is the CUI based, but take a bit very special care. The old version, the base version, what we have, it is a CUI based, but GUI based Unix or Linux flavors also available in the market, sir. Okay, so now there are multiple sir Unix based flavors. There are multiple Unix based flavors which supports both GUI and CUI. Remember a bit carefully, sir. There are multiple Unix based flavors which supports both GUI and CUI. Hence it is user friendly. Remember, because both supports is there. Both support is there. Happily you can use either Unix based, either GUI based or CUI based. Both support is there. That's why it is user friendly. Remember a bit carefully, sir. Where is the proof for that? Okay, best example here. Let me consider Ubuntu, sir. Okay, let me consider Ubuntu operating system. Here, forget about this one. Here, I'm taking Ubuntu, sir. Okay, Ubuntu is there. Now observe that Ubuntu is there, sir. It is, sir. I want to create one folder. Now observe that. Let me go to the desktop. Here I want to create a folder. I want to create a folder. What I will take here is just a new folder. Just a new folder I'm taking. Here I'm trying to take, okay, just okay, Durga Linux classes or Durga Unix classes, I'm trying to take, sir. Now observe that. So it is just a simple GUI, sir. It is Durga Unix classes so you can create just like Windows. In the Windows, whatever there, even the same thing is available here also. Okay, like in the Ubuntu, sir, just like Windows operating system only. Now let me go to, okay, here command prompt CUI based. Okay, I want to create here. Just observe that. Okay, another folder. I want to create another directory, right? mkdir. Now I'm trying to take Linux classes, I'm trying to take, sir. mkdir Linux classes like this I'm trying to take. Now observe that. Now observe this one. Linux classes is created or not? Can you please confirm? Yes, friend. Is it created or not? Yes. That's what you people should aware. Remember a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? So in Linux, in Unix, so most of the people are going to fail. Sir, everything we have to do from the command line interface only. It is the CUI based operating system. No, sir, it supports both the CUI and the GUI. Both the things are possible. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Yes, there are some people who are facing the buffering problem, maybe network from your side, it seems. Okay, yeah, just observe that. Maybe it's a too much buffering. Yeah, here just observe, maybe. Yeah, here take a bit special care about this terminology, right? Yeah, maybe net is not that much supportive, it seems. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yeah, yeah, correct. Okay. Now, so this is what you people should aware. It is the Windows like. Now I have one small doubt, sir. What is my doubt here is take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? What is my doubt here is observe carefully. Observe the point, sir. My doubt here is CUI and GUI, which is more convenient to use? Can you please confirm? CUI and GUI, which is more convenient to use? More convenient to use. Anyone, can you please confirm? CUI and GUI, which is the more convenient to use? Please confirm. Yes, friends. CUI or GUI, which is the more convenient to use? Yes, compulsory. Most of the people are going to fail. Okay, GUI is more convenient to use. Okay, take very special care. Seems to be convenient, but really it is not convenient. Remember carefully, sir. Really it is not convenient. What is the reason for that? Okay, like GUI helpful for very small activities. Very small activities, right? Remember this one. GUI helpful very small activities, sir. Like can you please create one directory? That's all. Or can you please create one file? That's all. It is going to work. It is going to work, sir. But if you want to do big activities, we should not use this bloody GUI. Compulsory we have to go for CUI concept only. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. So that's why. So what is the CUI? This concept itself is most valuable when compared with the GUI. Sir, can you explain? Can you explain with an example? Can you explain with an example? Like you may ask. Can you explain with an example? Like you may ask, sir. Here, take very special care about this. What is the point here? You people should aware is observe this point carefully, right? What is the important point here is, suppose I want to create 10 directories, right? Or otherwise, so I want to create 100 directories. 100 directories. In every directory, okay, my requirement is, can you please create 100 files? This is my requirement, right? So this is the small requirement what we have. Can you please create 100 directories? In every directory, can you please create 100 files? This is about my job. Okay, can you tell in the Windows, if you want to do this one, how much time is required? If it is the GUI based, how much time it is required? It's too much. It is going to take too much time. Remember that. But in the Linux, if it is the Unix based, if it is the CUI based, we can perform very easily. If it is the CUI based, we can perform very easily, right? Okay, sir, how, sir? Can you please show this example, right? How many directories I have to create? Can you please confirm? Yes, friend. How many directories I have to create? Please confirm. How many directories I require to create? 100 directories, right? To create 100 directories, what I will take is mkdir. Assume my required directory names are dir1, dir2, dir3, okay, dir4, okay, like a dir100 I want to create. This is my requirement, right? Array, very simple. What you can take is mkdir dir, okay, 1.100. That's all. A single command execute, then all the 100 directories by default will be ready. Remember a bit carefully, sir. Okay, dir1, dir2, dir3, like 100 directories by default are going to be created. Okay, 1 minute, let me show this activity, right? Okay, now in my desktop, I'm taking Durga Unix classes already there. Okay, let me go to sir Linux classes, like. Okay, Now, sir, where I am in this desktop Linux classes is there. Now I want to take mkdir, 1 minute, sir. Inside Linux classes, empty, sir. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. Now, what I want to take, can you please guide what is the command I require to use? Please confirm. What is the command we require to take? mkdir dir1 dot 100, like I'm taking. That's all. A single command we are using, mkdir, okay, dir1 dot 100. Now observe. Good. The total kill khatam. 100 directories are ready. 100 directories are ready. If you want, you can just cross check. A simple command, sir. Now, let me open Linux classes. Yeah, wonderful. How beautiful it is. 100 directories are ready. Remember, dir1. In that, sir, dir 100. 100 directories are ready. Yes. Can you please do this activity by using your Windows operating system or by using GUI based? Nothing. GUI based best suitable for small activities but not big activities. Take a bit special care about this one. Okay. Now, sir, first activity I completed. Okay. In every directory, can you please create 100 files? In every directory, can you please create 100 files is my requirement, right? So, how you can do that? mkdir, okay, dir1 dot 100. Sir, here this is already created, right? So, mkdir is the command to create directories. Now, I want to create files. Assume that file1.txt, file2.txt, file3.txt, okay, file3.txt, like file 100.txt I have to create. So these 100 files in every directory I have to create. Regarding these 100 files, in every directory I have to create, sir. In every directory, if you want to create, what is the way? Sir, to create a file, which command we require to use? To create a file, which command we require to use? Anyone, can you please guide? Respond. I want to create a file. What is the command we require to use, friends? Okay. The command what we require to use is touch is the command. Touch command we have to use. Now I'm taking here, observe, touch touch. So dir 1 dot 100. Sir, in every directory, can you please create 100 files? File 1 dot 100 dot txt. Okay, simple. Because of this command, total how many files will be created? Yes, total how many files will be created just because of this command? Anyone, can you please tell? In every directory 100 files. Such type of directories, how many are there? 100 into 100, 10,000 files will be created. Just 10,000 files will be created, sir. Sir, let me cross check here. Observe carefully. If you open any directory, no file is there. If you open any directory, no file is there. Okay, like now my requirement is, okay, let me execute, let me use that command. Okay, yeah, touch command. Please observe carefully. dir 1 dot 100. In every directory, file 1 dot 100, okay, dot txt I'm taking. Yeah, Kel Khatam, completed. 10,000 files got created right now. If you want, you can cross check here. You can open any directory, sir. dir1, yes, 100 files are ready. Regarding dir 26, 100 files are ready. Okay, dir, okay, like dir 99, 100 files are ready. Okay, dir 100, 100 files are ready. Yeah, wonderful. Clear? Are you in the position to understand? What is the biggest specialty? What is the biggest specialty of CUI concept? Okay, take very special care about this. So most of the people are going to feel, sir, GUI is my favorite, sir. We can perform operations very easily. GUI is convenient for small activities, not big activities. If you want to perform big activities, compulsory we have to go for CUI, sir. Character user interface. Some people are asking, sir, what is the abbreviation for GUI and sir CUI? Very innocent people are there, it seems. Okay, here just observe graphical user interface. Okay, next and after that CUI. What is the meaning of CUI? Can you please confirm? Character user interface. Everything we have to perform with the commands, CUI. Okay, like so some people may use the word CLI also. CLI, command line interface. Command line interface. Okay, like CUI, some people may use the word command line interface like. Is it clear? Any explanation is required? So the biggest advantage of Unix is it will provide, so it will provide support for both the GUI and CUI, hence it is user friendly. Yes, this is the very important, of course. Here why this our Unix or Linux is very popular? Yes, it is also one reason. Clear, right? Up to this, any doubt about this terminology? Okay, now the next, here observe that mkdir I use the command to create directories, touch is the command to create empty files. Okay, well, now the next very important things are very important point what you people should aware. Remember that it is very secured. It is very secure, sir. Remember that. Okay, when compared with the Windows operating system, when compared with the most of operating system, that Unix or Linux is very secure. This is also one reason why. This is also one reason why, sir, this Linux is very popular. Remember this one, sir. This is secured. Okay, here we have beautiful concept like file permissions concept. The permissions are very stronger. Permissions are very stronger here. Remember this a bit carefully, sir. We can set permissions. Okay, we can set permissions at user level, next group level, user level, group level, and others level like so. By using permissions concept, do you know, we can provide more security for our files, for our directories. Remember a bit carefully, sir. This concept we will discuss in file permissions. There you people can get much clarity. Don't worry at all. Okay, so clear for all of you, right? Okay, now big activities the people are using CUI based. That's why hackers always using CUI only. If you observe in our movies, hacker is going to hack, just a black and white screen is keep on scrolling. Are getting black and white? Yes. So this is like clear. Any doubt? So if any person is asking, so what is Unix? Simple answer you can tell. What is Unix? What is the answer, sir? Respond in a single word. I want. So group level and other level permissions we will discuss in the file permissions concept. Remember. So what is Unix? What is the answer you can tell? Can you please confirm? Unix is an operating system. It is an operating system. By using this, user can interact with the computer. That's all. Next, what are various characteristics of Unix? We covered already. What are various characteristics of Unix? Sir, now you people can feel, sir, it is the freeware. Next and after that it is open source. It is open source. Next and after that it is a multi-user operating system. Next, multitasking operating system. Tasking operating system. Okay, like next multitasking operating system. Next, do you know, supports both CUI and GUI. Okay, next, more secure. Remember this. That's all. Wonderful. Okay, so if any person is asking, Arey, can you please tell what is Unix? Yeah, you have to tell, man. So once our computer is there, to interact with computer, I have to, some software is required, which is nothing but operating system, which is our Unix. Okay, like next, the second thing what you people should aware, what are various characteristics of Unix? Happily you can tell there are multiple other characteristics also there, but anyway, like so it supports both GUI and CUI, means so enhanced flavors. Don't feel enhanced flavors, like Ubuntu. Okay, like Ubuntu supports both CUI and GUI. Clear, right? Any doubt up to this? Can I go to the next level? Sir, only 2 points I covered. What is Unix? What are various characteristics of Unix? Okay, now the next thing what we have to talk about, what are various flavors of Linux? Remember this one, sir. So what are various flavors of Linux? Linux is the operating system which is developed based on Unix only. Remember, right? What are various flavors of Linux? Like now take a bit special care about this one. So can I use the word Unix or Linux? Okay, just let me talk about Unix only. No problem, both are the same, interchangeably you can use, no issue at all. Okay, Unix is open source or not? I respond. Unix is open source or not? Yes, it is open source. It is the open source, right? So once it is the open source, anyone can customize. Anyone can customize source code. Anyone can customize source code of the Unix. Remember this, anyone can customize. So now Durgasoft people are customizing, and they are telling, okay, Durgasoft flavor, Durgasoft Unix flavor, like I'm introducing. So there are multiple companies are, do you know, sir, customizing. That's why this is Unix is the open source, anyone can customize. That's why because of this one, multiple flavors came in the picture. Sir, can you please spell out some flavors? Yeah, anyone, can you please tell some flavors of Linux? Already you may heard about some names. Anyone? Yes, friends? Ayo. Yeah, hurry home. Love you too. Yeah, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Kali. Okay, like Kali, like there are multiple flavors are there. Okay, like multiple flavors. Sir, here Ubuntu. Okay, now take a bit special care. I use Ubuntu, sir. Next, do you know Red Hat? Ubuntu, Red Hat. Next, CentOS and Red Hat almost the same. Next, Fedora is there. Next, have you ever Slackware? Okay, Slackware. Next, Open Solaris, Slackware, Open Solaris. Next, there is one more thing is there. Yeah, Kali, Linux. Next, Mint is also Kali. Next, Mint, IBM AIX. Okay, like Mint, like. Do you know there is one name is there, sir? Like just observe that Fedora. There is one name is there. Do you know? I have two kids. Okay, just both are twins, sir. Okay, I have twins are there. Small kids. Okay, almost around sir 3 years age. Okay, 3 years, both 3 years age. I have kids. Now, do you know my kids? If my kid want to go for restroom, urine sake, now my kid is always using mommy susu. Are you getting? Have you ever heard about this one? Okay, have you ever susu in the house, in our home? Most of the times the small kids are always going to use the word susu. Okay, like okay, like there is one flavor is there, SUSE. Okay, SUSE Linux Enterprise Server, not SUSU, sir. Linux Enterprise Server, SUSE. Okay, Linux Enterprise Server. Okay, like next, even Open SUSE, like these are some flavors. Can you please confirm how many flavors are there for the Linux or Unix? Respond. Not Susu, Susie, Shubham. Okay. Yeah. Can you please tell how many flavors are there for the Linux? How many flavors we covered? Can you please confirm? Respond. How many flavors are there? Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, Slackware. Like how many I covered? Can you please confirm? Yeah. Can you please confirm how many flavors I covered? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 10, almost 10 I covered. Don't feel only these are 10 is available. Okay, only 10 is available. No, there are some multiple flavors are there. Okay, that's what you should. So just I covered only 10, only 10. That's why 10 flavors are there. Like don't feel sir, there are multiple flavors are available. Okay, like so which flavors are there? What are various flavors? If you want full list, there is one website is there. Okay, distrowatch.com. What is the website name? Can you please observe that? Distrowatch.com. If I see this one, distrowatch.com. Okay, let me open distrowatch.com. Now all the Linux flavors you can see, sir. Now observe that. Now we have a look once. MX Linux, Manjaro, Mint, Ubuntu, Debian, Elementary, Solus, Jorin, Fedora, Deepin. Okay, like have you observed almost how many flavors are there? Okay, like Clonjala 100. These are just a top 100. Okay, remember this one. These are just a top 100 flavors, right? But there are huge number of flavors are available. Don't feel, sir, I covered only 10. Just I covered only 10. Okay, like that's fine. No. Hundreds of flavors are available. Hundreds of flavors are available. Okay, like you should aware. Next, there is one small point I have to tell. So if any person is asking what are various flavors of Unix, at least 10 names, are you in the position to tell? What the Linux is the operating system which is developed based on Unix. Remember this one. Who is asking? Vishal. The Linux is the operating system which is developed based on Unix only. Okay, like yeah, there are multiple operating systems. There are hundreds of flavors are available. Okay, like sir, now I have one important point. I have one important point. What is my important thing is, sir, here, so sir, I am very much comfortable with the Ubuntu, but I am not aware about Red Hat. I am not aware about Fedora, like some people may ask. Sir, I am using Open Solaris. I am using Open Solaris. I am very perfect, but the remaining I don't know. Like no. Here one small point you people should aware, sir. Have you aware car driving? Can you please confirm? How many of you aware car driving? Yes, friends. Yes, Parrot OS maybe Aman. Okay, car driving. Anyone aware car driving? Yes, man. Ayo. Why you are silent? Yes, most of the people aware. Most of the people can. Suppose assume that your car is okay. Sir, assume that BMW, sir. BMW car. Okay, assume your car is the BMW like. So now you can drive your car. This is your own car BMW, right? Tomorrow I'm giving Audi car. Tomorrow I want to give Audi car. Can you drive Audi car or not? That's about my question. Yes, friend. Can you drive Audi car or not? Yes, why not? Why not? Yes, you can. No problem at all. You can. So if you drive BMW, then you can drive Audi also very easily, right? Nothing. Yes, you can. Now the point here is the person who can drive one car, he can drive any other car very easily. Just maybe 5 minutes or 5 kilometers, maybe. So 5 minutes or 5 kilometers, he may feel difficult. But after that, it is as usual. Very easily he can drive the car. Now I am using this word is, among these, if you are familiar with any flavor, if you are familiar with any flavor, the remaining things you can work very easily on the remaining, because all these flavors came from the same base version. That's why 90% of the functionality is the same in all flavors. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. 90% of the functionality is the same in all flavors. Remember a bit very carefully about this. Any doubt? All the people are in the position to understand? Yes, friends? So that depends. Most of the people are always using, sir, Red Hat if you want licensed version. Okay, next otherwise more nearest CentOS. Just for learning sake, some people are going to use Ubuntu. That's what. Okay, like now, so you can, because all these, if you are perfect with one flavor, then you can work with any other flavor very easily. Don't worry at all. That's it. That's what you people should aware, right? Okay, why we have hundreds of flavors? Yes, because every flavor may be specialized for a particular purpose. Okay, remember that. Now the next thing. So I don't think from the Oracle any Linux based version. Okay, Open Solaris now with the Oracle maybe. Okay, I'm not sure. Can you please check in the Google? Yeah. Okay. Now the next thing here I have to tell, sir, what are various components are there? Okay, components of Unix. Just the basic idea I will provide. Just to take a bit special care about this one. Okay. So, sir, if you consider either Unix or Linux, if you consider either Unix, yeah. Just there are some people are asking Oracle Linux is in market. Yeah, good, Asan. Okay, like yeah, from the Oracle Linux flavor is there. Next, sir, most of the commands are always the same. Ravindra, most of the commands are always the same. This is what you people should aware. Okay. Now the next what I have to tell, what are various components are there for the Unix operating system? There are two flavors. There are two components are there, sir. Can you please spell out how many components are there? Respond. How many components are there? Two components, right? The first component is okay, shell. Remember this one. So the first component is shell. Second component is kernel. Okay, remember very carefully, sir. The second component is kernel. Like so, how many components are there? Two components are there. The first component is shell, second component is kernel. These two things by default considered as our operating system. Okay, remember carefully, sir. So how many components are there? Two components, shell and kernel. These two things by default considered as our operating system. Remember carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, two components. So what is the job of each component? That's what you should aware, sir. Okay. Now what is the important conclusion? Here just observe carefully, right? Now I'm taking, sir, assume he is the, sir, here just take very special care, sir. Who is this person? Okay. Who is this person? Don't tell Durga, sir. Okay, here just who is this person? End user. Okay, assume end user. Okay, like now here I have my computer is there, I have my hardware is there, sir. Assume that this is my hardware. Okay, this is my hardware. So if the user wants to interact with the hardware, in the middle some concept must be required. That concept itself is nothing but our operating system. So everyone aware what is the meaning of operating system? What is the meaning of operating system? Everyone can aware. Nothing. Okay, just here end user, sir, can interact with the hardware by using this operating system. But now I want to provide much clarity about this one. What is the important point here is, listen carefully about this one, sir. Sir, now here just observe. Whenever user types a command, okay, now user types a command, sir. I want to just let me go to, okay, here I'm taking touch sunny.txt okay, like sunny.txt. User just types a command on the terminal. Observe very carefully about this one, sir. User types a command on the terminal, okay. Now, so just what is my sunny touch command, okay, touch command sunny.txt. I want to create an empty file sunny.txt. This is about my requirement, right? Okay, like now my question is observe carefully. Whenever you type this command, who is going to receive this command? So the first person who is going to receive this command is shell. Remember very carefully, sir. Who is going to receive this command? Shell is the responsible to read this command. Remember very carefully, sir. The first component of operating system, which is nothing but shell. So shell receives the command. Observe carefully. Shell receives the command. Now, whether this command is valid or not, who is going to check, sir? Shell will check whether this command is valid or not. Okay, shell will check whether this command is valid or not. Okay, next, sir, whether this command is properly used or not, is properly used or not, whether this command is properly used or not. So everything is going to take care by shell. Remember a bit carefully, sir. Suppose assume that okay, I'm using touch 1 2 3, okay, sunny.txt I want to take. Can you please tell, is this command, is it valid or not? Please respond. Is this command, is it valid or not? No, this one is invalid. There is no such type of command. Immediately error we are going to get, sir. Are getting? Immediately error we are going to get. Touch 1 2 3 itself is immediately error we are going to get. Who is the responsible to provide this error? Our shell itself is the responsible. Shell will check whether this command is valid or not. Okay, like shell will check whether this command is properly used or not. Everything is going to be checked by, okay, shell. Remember very carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, like, sir, if everything is proper, then converts this command into kernel understandable form. Converts this command into kernel understandable form. Remember this one, sir. If everything is proper, then converts this command into kernel understandable form and hand over to kernel. Remember carefully, sir. Are you getting? So what is the job of shell? Remember a bit very carefully. Okay, what is the job? What the shell is going to take care is, okay, so shell receives the command. Shell will check whether the command is valid or not. Shell will check whether this command is the properly used or not. Okay, like clear up to this? Any doubt? Yes. Okay, this command is interpreted. Here have you observed? Converts means interpreted. Interpreted this command into kernel understandable form and hand over to kernel. Okay, like now who will come in the picture, sir? Now kernel will come in the picture. Now take very special care, sir. So in our diagram, so the user provided thing will hand over to the shell. Okay, like now shell hand over that command to the kernel. Okay, shell hand over that command to the kernel. What this kernel is going to do is, sir, very simple. Kernel, okay, will execute that command, with the help of hardware and provide required results to the end user. Remember it, okay? What is the job of kernel? Kernel simply executes that command, and perform required activity. Clear, right? Yes, all the people are in the position to understand. Kernel simply execute that command and perform required activity. Okay, like sir, now these two components are by default considered as operating system. Okay, these two components together is considered as operating system. Okay, user can okay, user can interact with the hardware with the help of operating system. Sir, now shell acts as interface between user and kernel. Remember this one, sir. Shell acts as interface between user and the kernel. Okay, next kernel acts as interface between okay, interface between, sir, shell and the hardware. Remember a bit very carefully about this one, sir. These components are almost all operating systems, Unix based operating system. These components are always common. Remember a bit very carefully about this one, sir. Yes, okay. Shell and kernel are part of operating system. Next, CUI based, GUI based means CUI based. So your commands you have to provide from the command prompt. So or from the terminal, it is called CUI based. Character user interface. So user can interact only with the help of commands. It is the CUI. So by using GUI, user can interact. It is nothing but GUI. Okay. So CLI means terminal. CLI means it is a terminal. Okay, terminal. So here you require to use the commands. User can interact with the system only with the help of commands. Such type of thing is by default considered as, okay, CUI based, CLI based. Okay, like yes. Any doubt about this? Can you please observe that? What is shell? What is the like? Now the same thing in your systems, the same thing in your okay, books, textbooks somewhere, the people are going to use this type of diagram also. Okay, now observe carefully. Yes, okay, now here just observe this. Okay, now this part is user or application. Sometimes we may write a script also. Now it is going to communicate with the shell. Okay, now the shell is going to communicate with the kernel. Okay, now here the innermost component is hardware. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Yes, friends, all the things are very clear for you people, right? Yes, any admin person most of the times in the Linux is always going to use shell scripts. Okay, that part I will take care, don't worry. So now, so where is the position of the kernel? Okay, these two components are by default considered as operating system. Remember this one, sir. These two components by default considered as operating system. User can interact with the hardware. Any doubt? Clear for you people? Okay. Now here one small point I have to convey. Observe carefully, right? Okay, in my system now, in this there is one diagram is there. I kept diagram. There is one diagram is there. Yeah, command execution flow. Command execution flow. Okay, now observe the same terminology in the flow diagram format. End user types a command on the terminal, okay, like he is typing sunny.txt. So command will submit to the shell shell will check whether this command is valid or not, whether it is properly used or not. So if it is proper, shell interprets that command into kernel understandable form, hand over to the kernel. Now kernel execute that command and perform required operation. Again dollar prompt will be displayed, so which indicates that again dollar prompt will be displayed, which indicates that it is ready for the next command. Remember this one, sir. So if it is not proper, display error message to the terminal. Okay, like that. Sir, clear? Any explanation is required about this terminology up to this? So what are various components are there, okay, in our operating system? So kernel is the core component of operating system. Remember this one, sir. It is a core component, very important component, because total job is going to perform by this person only. Core component of our operating system. Okay, next do you know, so it is the responsible memory allocation, processor allocation, okay, memory allocation, processor allocation, everything, processor allocation, everything is takes care by everything takes care by kernel. Remember that, okay, everything takes care by kernel. Next, shell, it is outer layer, it is outer layer of operating system. It is the outer layer of operating system. Take a bit special care about this terminology. Any doubt about this? Can you please confirm? Yeah, hardware means CPU, motherboard, processor, memory, like everything, hard disk, like all those components are by default considered hardware. Okay, shell and kernel, these two components are by default considered as operating system. Yes, already I told, sir, what is the operating system like. Clear, right? Okay, that's all, sir. Next in the next session, okay, tomorrow we will talk about some basic commands, some basic commands, some basic commands. We will discuss some basic commands. Okay, remember, some basic commands I will discuss with respect to, okay, some basic commands with the online editor I will discuss, sir. Okay, tomorrow also we will have the session, so just tomorrow I will continue for these things. Clear? Top level explanation what we have. Okay, compulsory second check should be there in the kernel, Bhaskar. Okay, it is compulsory there. It is the kernel programming is not that much easy thing. Okay, like just a top level, the layman who don't know about who don't know about operating Unix components, like for them this is the just a basic idea, right? Yes, Shirish, can you please check? There should be some option. Compulsory we can edit the user content. Clear, right? Okay, so that's all. So tomorrow what I will do is okay, tomorrow at 9 p.m. Indian time, okay, 9 p.m. IST, India time, okay, just IST or IST. Okay, tomorrow we will have the session, So just some basic commands I will discuss for you people, right? Okay, remember. Yeah, clear Satish? Almost I will try at least 1 week sessions minimum. Okay, so that you will get some basic idea. Don't worry. Okay, that's all. Thanks for everyone. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation, sir. So thanks for everyone. Okay, if you are having any doubts related, just durgasoftonline@gmail.com, happily you can trigger, so that as much as possible we will discuss. Okay, right, thanks for all.